Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm in Santan Valley and I'm touring KB Homes. I'm in their newest community that just opened up this weekend, okay, October 4th, yesterday. They just opened and it's called the Bella Camino community, okay? This is a really nice community. There's only going to be 133 total home sites. So today I'm gonna show you their 1356 plan. This is a total of 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And this is a great starter home, guys, okay? So nothing too big, nothing too overwhelming, but if you are just starting to your home purchase and you're looking for a really good floor plan, the 1356 plan by KB Homes is a really good option for you, okay? So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kapabains. My name is Kuya Oscar, or just Oscar Halar if you're not Filipino. But hey, I am here in Santan Valley, and I love Santan Valley because there is so many builders that is pushing out this way. So you have so many great options, okay? KB Homes is one of the few builders that only offers fully customizable homes, okay? And this is their grand opening of their newest community called Bella Camino. So Bella Camino is gonna be an exclusive, only 133 homes that will be here. Okay, they have 3 of the 7 floor plans available to preview of the model homes. Okay, and so I'll show you like outside the exterior of some of them, and I'll make another video of the other 2 as well. But here in this total, here in this community, there's going to be a total of 7 different option floor plans for you, 4 single-story homes, and 3 2-story homes. Hey, if you're brand new to my channel, guys, I go around all the brand new construction communities here in the greater Phoenix area, and I showcase their model homes. I showcase their move-in ready homes. I talk about their incentives. So guys, if you want to watch more, information or home tours just like this, please do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, and follow me on these home tours. And sometimes I bring my assistant. Hello. With me. She holds the camera sometimes. That's my best friend, is my daughter. But yeah, guys, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Follow me on all these home tours. Okay, so with that being said, at the end of this video, we'll go ahead and we'll just talk about the HOA here. We'll talk about what's in proximity to this community, okay, as far as grocery stores, entertainment-wise, recreational-wise, and we'll kind of dive further into Santan, city itself. Okay, so with that being said, let's get this home tour started. So we're outside of the house, but I just kind of want to show you, again, they just opened up this community, so there's a lot of dirt lots available here. Okay, you're actually walking distance to the school that's attached to this community. Okay, so if your kid is in pre-K all the way up to 8th grade, the school is actually walking distance. We'll get further into that at the end. Okay, so here is the floor plan I'll be showcasing today. All right, so they are using it obviously as an office, but that is a 2-car garage, and this is the plan 1356. Okay, they also have the other floor plans, or 2 other floor plans available to show. All right, but yeah, this one is the one we will be looking at today. Okay, this is one of their 3 elevations. Okay, it's fairly simple. It's elevation A, B, or C. Now with each elevation there is a different base price. Okay, so $342,990 is the base price for elevation A. Elevation B is $344,990, and elevation C is $345,990. Okay, so with the base prices, that is just a base price. Since KB Homes is fully customizable, you take the base price and then you take the lot premium, so whichever lot that you choose, and then you take the upgrades that you spent with the design studio. Okay, and then that's pretty much what you could expect to pay when you sign the contract. Okay, so there's the base price plus lot premium plus upgrades spent. Okay. Okay, so walking through the front door, you have a standard 8-foot ceilings here. All right, and off to the right-hand side, here's your coat closet, shoe closet, storage, all that good stuff. All right? So as you can see, when you walk through, here is the dining area, you know, main living space into your kitchen. So definitely open concept kind of feel here, all right? But it's still very spacious everywhere you walk around. Okay, so here is a 6-seater dining table. Okay, love how they have like a floating shelf here. It's pretty awesome. And now going through the kitchen, so as you can see, this is like one of their basic or standard kitchens. Okay, so they have a gourmet style kitchen, you know, where they have quartz countertops, but this is like your laminate kitchen countertop. Okay, so it's still very nice. As you can see too, you have the 32-inch upper cabinets versus your 42-inch uppers. No hardware, meaning the handles. All right, and so like just your basic kind of shaker cabinets there, okay? So this is kind of like what a standard kitchen would look like, all right? But still fairly nice, okay? And again, this is like a really nice open concept feel. Okay, now what's standard with KB Homes, they will provide the range, they will provide the hood vent, and they will only provide the dishwasher. Now this is a gas community, so if you wanted a gas cooktop, you can definitely upgrade that, all right? So with the refrigerator, with the refrigerator, washer and dryer and microwave, it does not come with the house. However, you can negotiate that potentially into the offer, or you just have to buy it, you know, outside, all right? So here's the pantry. Good shelving system there. And as I was talking about before, you know, the space-wise, walking through, it's definitely still very spacious, right? A lot of room to walk, not bumping into each other. So before we get into the primary bedroom here right off of the kitchen and the outside, let's go ahead and go back to the front of the house, okay? Because you have the 2 other bedrooms here. So we'll go to the bedroom in the front. Before we go that, here would be your washer and dryer connection. Okay. And then you have a full bath here. And then here is the room in front of the home. Really nice, a lot of natural lighting. So no lights are on right now. I mean, you have those 2 lamp lights, but realistically the sun is just beaming into, you know, this bedroom. So a lot of natural lighting there. Okay, here's your closet. So pretty standard there. Okay, walking around the corner here is the access to your 2-car garage. All right, and then here is the other room. Now, I love how they kind of stage this because, you know, like I said, this is a good entry-level home for like maybe a couple or a very small family with just a child. But as you can see, they have it displayed as like a nursery room. If you don't have a kid, I mean, you can definitely stage this as like an office or just another guest bedroom, right? But a lot of options here. And then here's the closet. So these are some upgraded tile flooring. In the other model home, there is like that wood-like tile flooring as well. So there's plenty of options to choose from. Okay, but this is a pretty good flooring here. I don't know how you guys feel about it. How do you guys feel about the color, you know, the black with the white veins here? I think it's pretty cool. And then the primary, again, is just right off of the kitchen. This definitely could be like a second pantry, you know, more storage right here, because then you have another one right over there, okay? And then here's the pantry. I mean, not pantry. Here is the primary bedroom. So really nice primary bedroom. Large windows there. And then here is the primary closet. Okay, and looks like all the cables will be here as well. bathroom. And then I'll assume this is the toilet area. Perfect. Okay, let's go take a look outside. So you do have like this nice covered patio area here. This is kind of what I want to show you, is that, you know, this space right here. So you could definitely put something small like a double seater here, you know, a small little grill. But the average lot size here in this specific community, you're looking at just over 5,000 square feet, okay? Now you do have an AC unit with every home, okay? But as far as landscaping goes, as you see here, they do not go to this extent. Now they do offer some sort of basic landscaping, like your basic desert landscaping package. And that just means that they're just gonna provide rock, okay? Either the whole back would be covered in rock, just like how you see here, or just partial. You'll have some shrubs here and some small trees, but that's pretty much what they provide, okay? They won't go to the extent of having pavers or turf. That's something that you would want to do, you know, after you close. So if this is something that you kind of want to do, you know, where you have, you know, nice turf or maybe even pavers laid down, you know, most of these new construction homes, or a lot of them, you know, spec builds or building from the ground up, will just have a bare backyard, so you could do whatever you want, okay? All right, so that was pretty much the home tour. Okay, pretty simple floor plan here. Let's talk about the HOA and other facts. Okay guys, so that was pretty much the home tour. So very cute, nice and cozy little home, okay, that they offer here. Now the HOA in this community is $109, okay, $109. You could expect that in these new construction communities, they will have some sort of HOA, all right? And it usually covers the common areas, the playgrounds, and walking trails, okay? Now the playgrounds here, they do have a nice shaded area, so that's really cool. Now we are coming into the more desirable months. It's not so hot. We still get the nice sun, but it's not like over 110 degrees. We're out of that stage of the year, so thank goodness, all right? So the HOA, again, guys, is $109 a month. Now, this is a gas community, so again, if you wanted to upgrade that into a gas range, you know, that's a possible upgrading option. There's 133 total lots. As you see that there are a lot of dirt lots. They will have six spec builds to be completed in February, okay? To be completed in February. And with that being said, if you were to come to this community and you choose your floor plan, you could expect a 6-month build out time, okay? So right now it's October. So October, November, December, January, February, March completion timeframe if you were to get into a contract now, all right? So as far as average lot size specifically, you're looking at 175,000 square foot in lot size. As far as incentives goes, so right now the incentives, they are offering $5,000 towards your closing costs with their preferred lender. Or you could go with their 1-year buy down, where KB Homes will buy down the rate to 4.99%. And then 30 years after that, or 29 years after that, is 5.99%, okay, which is still relatively low than what today's current interest rates are, which I believe is at a 6.3, all right? Now, as far as what is around this community, okay, school-wise, if you do have, again, a small child that's in pre-K through 8th grade, all right, the school is literally walking distance, just right around the corner, all right? And then Poston Butte is the high school, which is literally less than 5 minutes away, so super convenient for you parents. As far as, you know, what is there to do as entertainment-wise, as far as like shopping goes, all right, so you have the Queen Creek Marketplace. Queen Creek Marketplace, you're looking at about a 20-minute drive right on Hunt Highway, all right? 20-minute drive there. There you would have your Harkins Theater. You do have, a lot of great restaurants there as well. Cooper's Hawk, you have, you know, Raising Cane's, you do have, you know, Crumble Cookies there. You have different grocery stores there, such as Sprouts. You have a Trader Joe's there as well. So that's only 20 minutes away, guys, okay? As far as the other one, you have Vineyard Town Center. So Vineyard Town Center, very nearby, is a brand new establishment. They just opened up Target over there, Target, okay? And a lot of great restaurants there as well. So that is very nearby. Queen Creek Olive Mill is a great place to go catch a bite to eat or take your friends if you have visitors in town. Queen Creek Olive Mill, really, really great place. I love their, you know, their pizza, their sandwiches, really, really awesome place. Queen Creek Olive Mill, okay? Schnepp Farms is nearby as well. So I think they're going to have a pumpkin patch event. So that's Schnepp Farms, which is very nearby. And then also if you wanted to do some recreational activities as far as going on hikes, bike trail riding, or, you know, just an easy trail to walk, you know, just by yourself, family, or, you know, and nothing too intense. The Santan Mountain is really, really close. Santan Regional Mountain is very close. And there they have different numerous trailheads that it ranges from beginner status, you know, all the way up to expert status. So, you know, less than a mile to, you know, a couple miles. So whatever you are comfortable with, you know, you could do it. And right now, again, because it's not so hot, you know, there's more people out there and it's a good time. All right. So as far as grocery store goes, okay, Fry's Marketplace. Fry's Marketplace is literally right up the street. You could walk there too. It's just right past the Champion School. All right, so Fry's Marketplace is there, just right up the road from Hunt Highway. You do have Walmart there. They just opened up Winco Foods there as well. So with that being said, guys, Santan Valley is growing. I mean, this area right here, just down the street, you do have, you know, Bella Vista Farms, which is this huge master plan community. They have a few builders in there, such as Lennar's over there. You have Tri-Point Homes over there. But that is a huge master plan community very nearby. You do have Lancy Homes that's building another community very nearby. And there's so much land out here in Santan Valley that will eventually be bought, and more houses are going to come in. Okay, so you know, you got one of these houses at this very entry-level cost, and as soon as these other homes starts you know, popping up, you know, you could get some good equity here. Okay, now this is only phase one too, so you know, you get this purchase price or you get this base price, and by the time they're done with this community, guys, you do have good equity by the time all 22 homes will be built. 133 homes have been built. You'll have some good equity. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be making another video of the other home, the 2-story home. Okay, so, you know, if you like what you see here, if you like this home tour, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Definitely help out this channel a lot, and follow me on more home tours. Thanks, guys. Bye.